This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Its top features include a sunroof, a power driver's seat, steering wheel mounted controls, a CD player which can read MP3s, trailer wiring, fog lamps, tinted glass, a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and cruise control. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Audi of Columbia is located at 6301 Two Notch Road in Columbia. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.